Hello friends, I hope you all must have seen my last videos about the tropical deciduous forest, tropical evergreen forests and semi-evergreen forests. In case you like the video, please continue watching the session. I'll make sure that you learn ncert by heart. Today we are going to discuss about the tropical thorn forests and as you can see in the map, I have already explained that in the periphery you will find the evergreen forest, and as you will move inside, you will find the deciduous forest, and then you'll find the tropical thorn forest. Here in the periphery, it's not shown in the map, you'll find the tropical deciduous forest, and here you will find the dry deciduous forest, right? So we need to understand the layering. I have explained it in my last videos. In case you are not clear about it, you can go and learn it in the tropical deciduous video. Today I'm going to talk about tropical thorn forest. So this part forms the tropical thorn forest, and here also I think Rajasthan, Gujarat, we are already clear about it, but in the peninsular part also we need to understand that this portion forms the tropical thorn forest. Now, I hope it's clear that when we are talking about the thorn forest, it should be clear that the rainfall is less, because as we discussed in the tropical evergreen forest, the rainfall was more than 200 centimeters. In case of tropical deciduous forest, the rainfall was in the range of 70 to 200 centimeters, where in case of moist deciduous and dry deciduous the range was different. For moist deciduous the range was 100 to 200 centimeter and 70 to 100 in case of dry deciduous. Now again, when it comes to the tropical thorn forest, the rainfall is less than 50 centimeter. Okay, less than 50 centimeter, this is what we have to keep in mind. Now these types of forests includes a variety of grasses and shrubs, because you won't find the proper full-fledged trees here. You'll find very stunted growth of trees. You'll mostly find the grasses here. You'll mostly find the shrubs here. You'll mostly find the bushes here. You'll mostly find the thorns here. These types of vegetations will be there, correct? And I already explained it to you that on the basis of vegetation, climate, type of soil, which we are not considering at this moment, but on the basis of the climate and vegetation, we are classifying different types of forests. So here, as you can see, they are found in the arid areas of the southwest. Okay, semi-arid areas of the southwest, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, and UP, as you can see here. This covers almost a greater part of Rajasthan, even Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Punjab, all these are included, even Haryana. So these parts are included. So Southwest Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Now in these forests, the plants will remain leafless for most part of the year. So for the longest of part, plants are leafless in these types of vegetation, and they look like scrub vegetation. Scrub vegetation is something, as you can see here, that you will see thorns. How you scrub to remove all the, for the exfoliation of skin, right? Because there are some very scrubby particles which scrubs the skin. Similarly, these are the scrubs, these are the bushes, these are the thorns. Now what are the types of species which are found here? Now I last video, when we were talking about the tropical deciduous forest, I explained one thing about bale, right? Bale, and I said don't confuse it with bale. Like here it is bale, amaltas, palash, right? All that. And here I'm talking about the bear. So bear is in the tropical thorn forest. Then we have babool, we have khejri, palash. Palash will get repeated, khair will get repeated. Khair is also a kind of deciduous vegetation. Then wild date palm and neem, right? There are certain vegetations which will repeat in both the types of forest. There is a very simple reason. As you can see the location, right? They are in vicinity of one another. So let's say one tree is found here, there is no wonder that you'll find this tree in the vicinity of this area also, right? So but because this partition is coming as the deciduous, this is coming as thorn, so some will get repeated, right? So which is getting repeated? Khair and Palash. Okay, I already gave the mnemonic for the tropical deciduous, but for the thorn I don't need, we need to learn any mnemonic. Babul we also know, because there is a कहावत कि कोई कहावत है ना कि इस किसी चीज़ का पेड़ लगाओ इस तो बबूल का पेड़ लगाओगे तो ये कहाँ आम कहाँ से हो, या ऐसा कुछ। तो बबूल में कांटे होते हैं, ठीक है। बबूल, बेर, डेट पाम, खैर, नीम, खेजड़ी, पलाश, राइट। अब यहाँ का एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेजिटेशन है टसौकी ग्रास। Tasauki grass. It can grow as long as 2 meter. This is a Tasauki grass. You must have seen it. Very, very common Tasauki grass. So if question comes that the Tasauki grass is a characteristic feature of which of the following? So you need to mark tropical thorn forests, or which of the following are the characteristics of the tropical thorn forest. So I think we need to give a 360-degree analysis. We know about the rain, we know about some characteristics, we know about the different types of vegetations found here, we also know the locations now, right? Southwest Punjab, Haryana, as you can see, this is covering southwest Punjab, right? Now the next is montane forest. If you want, I can zoom it. This is the tropical thorn forest. I have pasted the real pictures of these types of vegetation so that we have clarity about these vegetations, right? For the clarity, in the next video we are going to cover the montane forest.